Okay guys, Altus channel here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete thoughts on your TikTok profile. So if you posted your thoughts on your profile, and let me show you how to delete it. So the first thing you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, click on this your profile. Once you click on your profile, click on your profile here icon, and after that click on this three dots. After you click on the three dots, sorry guys, you're going to click on your profile here. Once you click on your profile, you're going to see your thoughts. Let's wait for it. Okay, zero view. I think it's okay. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see the click on these three dots. Once you click on the three dots, I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to show my thoughts. So let's see. So let's see. Just click on this this plus button, and let's see. Now your thought. Okay, let's see. Just click on your profile, and you're going to see your thoughts here. Click on these three dots. No views there already, so if there's view, you'll be able to delete your thoughts. Just click on it, and your thought is going to delete. Now let's see. Click on it. Then you're going to click on this. Once you click on it, then you're going to successfully delete your thought. It's very simple. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.